Hello guys, pahla sabke salam janai dia ase. Aji do hole do Ministry of Micro, Small and Mid-term Enterprises la under de PM Vishwakarma itula scheme do hole ki benefit ase aro edu kinega apply koribo aro ki required document lage edu apply koribo karne edu opor ami video banai na ase kineka edu do hole apply koribo edu apni khan ke ki document lage edu scheme laga benefit aro eligibility ki ase edu eligible criteria aro eligible trade edu apni khan ke short pra edu video banai ase sabo iv edu PM Vishwakarma Yojana ke apply korole kole do required document number 1 Aadhaar card, number 2 mobile number link Aadhaar card, number 3 PAN card. Itu tinda aro applicant or beneficiary biometric for registration. Itu apni khan ke itu ki required document lage itu apni khan ke dikhai di ase aro scheme benefits to ki ase number 1 the recognition ase etu to hole true certificate and ID card etu pabole laga ase number 2 the skilling verification followed by 5 to 6 days etu to 40 hours hobo etu basic training thakibo aro interested candidate can also enroll for 15 days 120 hours etu to advanced training hobo aro training stipend hole rupees 500 per day pabo training loa time day training session day 500 per day rupees etu bi pabo aro toll kits incentive rupees 15000 kran etu saman etu khan kinibo karne rupees 15000 to kran kurbo aro for the credit support etu khan bi ase collateral free enterprise development loans rupees 1 lakh pabo etu to first tranche for 18 months karne repayment around rupees 2 lakhs etu do hole second tranche for 30 months repayment ase etu do hole interest to 5% hobo lower etu person hisabte etu interest to loan do dibo ena ko ase aro credit guarantee fees to be bond by government of India GOI yate likhina ase number 6 time marketing support etu kan bi yate dikhibo pare ase screen de apni kan ke dikhai dia ase thik pra ne dikhibo pare etu karne ami important to ki ase etu puri de ase etu to hoile official website te takhan bra dia guideline notification scheme benefit etu hisab te apni kan ke dikhai dia ase ki important ase apni kan official website te jaiga na sao pare official website te koina apni kan ke etu bi koi dia ase second day eligibility criteria etu yare criteria do ki ase kole do main amakan bra puchi bole yadi screen de bi dikhai di ase hole bi etu beneficiary apply koribo karne etu registration koribo karne do 18 years pra etu bra he apply koribo paribo etu 18 years na punja khan do etu apply korona paribo ena ko ase etu dole unorganized sector self employment basis ase 18 years punja khan etu upor de eneka hole bi 18 years na punja khan do etu apply korona paribo etu ko ase aro etu trade kisam ase yate business ki kurola ase etu sob ase loan pabi central government hobi state government hobi etu dole under business development under PMEGB or PM Swaniti Mudra in the past 5 years etu de loan logina thakise kole do etu loan ke do apply korole eligible nai etu bi ko ase etu karne alak ki scheme ase tade loan na logina thakise kole hi etu PM Vishwakarma de loan lobo pare etu bi apni khan ke etu bi koi dia ase family de idia government service thakise kole do etu eligible nai etu a person in government service and their family members shall not be eligible under the scheme etu scheme de government service thakise kole etu eligible nai ina ko ase eligibility criteria to ki ase apni khan ke etu bi koi dia ase aro next day eligible trade ase etu do hole ki ase etu business eligible trade kole do business la ase etu business to hole boot base ase gold silver base goldsmith ase architecture ase construction mason iron stone base clay base potter aro blacksmith hammer and tool kits maker aro locksmith basket broom maker coil weaver tool and toy maker barber aro washerman dealer fishing net maker so on bisha je it one sob to hole eligible trade ase enaga apni kan ke koi di ase aro next to hole PM Vishwakarma de itu first wala to hole application submitted laga ase aro second wala alop blue nishina idu wala de hole do verification completed gram panchayat idu laga ase aro third yellow nishina thaka do hole verification completed district implementation committee itu de hwa laga ase aro fourth number 4 wala do hole verification completed screening committee itu laga ase aro the last one itu do hole application or applicants successfully register itu laga ase to sob tade bra one after another ahai kana to hole the last one number of applicants successfully register itu laga do last wala ase PM Vishwakarma laga itu key indicators itu dekhai dia ase kiman jon bra register kurina ase aro kun kun do hole completed kurina ase verification panchayat gram panchayat level de aro district level de aro application kiman submit kurise aro kiman jon do successful ase enega aro itu PM Vishwakarma Yojana laga scheme itu do hole Ministry of Micro Small and Medium Enterprises itu laga ase itu ministry bra do hole unworker sector karne olai dia ase to loan bi pabo aro tools kan bi training time de pabo kinibo karne aro training loa time de bi apni khan ke poisa bi per day de 500 dibo itu dole 5 to 7 days matter training lobo aro special advanced training bi apni khan ke koi dise itu laga opor de apni khan ke itu dekhai di ase aro ki lagibo itu required documents itu bi apni khan ke koi dise itu karne paradak to apni khan itu register korle try koribi itu registration to hole koto korobo kole CSC standard de jaigana register korobo itu bra detail to hole CSC standard de koi dibo apni khan ke kinaga register korola ase aro PM Vishwakarma de kina registration korobo kinaga apply korobo itu do CSC standard jaigana phal bra koi dibi na hole ro ta khan bra eman days remaining ase eman days per start ase aro itu documents itu lagibo aro deadline to ineka ase aro tade ki lage itu on sob to apni khan ke detail kobo aro benefit to ki ase itu register kurise kole do inakan detail sob koi dibo itu bra apni khan ke ami short pra takhala notification hisabte takhala information hisabte apni khan ke itu dekhai dia ase aro system to kina koro lage itu dekhai dia ase hole bi next to hole kinega registration koribo itu to apni khan ke next video to loi ani dibo kiman jon bra saise bishi khushi paise aro kunba na puchi na thaka apply na kori na thaka khan aida olop pai thake wo koina akha ase to next video de logro aji karne mani thank you so much for watching and see you next video for more update